Hi everyone, I'm going to show you my mess in the studio. I am reorganizing, so caution you, it is a mess, but it's an organized mess. So here we go. Hello, I'm Pampered with Diamonds, and this is my mess. I'm in the process of organizing. These kits here are ones I plan to keep and complete. There are drills in there. Most of those drills for these paintings are in here. There are some in this basket that are still, the canvases are in the garage. And then behind them, we have my D-stash pile. And let's take you in the closet. In my closet is my diamond dots with a few little make markets in there. And then we have some in there. And this is like a wrapping paper container. That's how long it is, and it's got paintings in it. And then we have, sorry guys, let me back this up just a little bit. That is the rack my husband made me to put my completed projects on, and whips. Not all of them are complete. There's my happy sushi girl. She's not complete yet. So some of them are complete and some are not. And then underneath are more containers of diamond art. Yeah. So let's take another walk, okay? There is more diamond art. The left side is primarily empty boxes, but the Diamond Art Club are not. Those are ones that I like and I plan on completing, hopefully in my lifetime. Some of those are promised to other people. So, yeah. Those are all my playing cards. And Love My Family and I actually painted that shelving. The shelving used to be gray. Now it's not. All right, let's go one more place. This is my original studio cabinet for diamond art. So the bottom that Elmo is sitting on actually lifts up, and there's all my Christmas diamond art in there. We got this piece in Germany. And yeah, that's got a hidden, that lifts up, and there's Christmas themed, holiday themed canvases in there. So yeah. Yep. And there's also empty boxes on there. I need to just get rid of these boxes. This rack here has got some, come on, move, has got some of my completed pictures. There is one that I was gifted from Diamonds and Thoughts. This one I did for my superhero event. This was part of a PR package from Fallon Gems. I love it. I want to put it in my camper. This was a bin store find from Target. I love it. It looks like a pixelated mess, but from a distance, it's beautiful. There is one of my very first ones, my hummingbird, which I blinged up. And then we got my birthday cake. And let's see, there's a Paris picture that I completed from a bin store. I think it was my second square that I have ever done. All right, I'm gonna try. Okay, and then we have the Mona Lisa. And then we have our truck, Christmas truck. And we have the very first time in painting I've ever completed, the American Bulldog. That's what I named it. So let's move this down. So there's a magnet frame. Another one. This one's from Make Market. There's my parrot by Diamond Dotz. All right, now we need to go. Okay, you saw that one. Okay, you've seen all of them. This one's another one I completed. My birthday cake from last year. The washi tape's coming off, guys. If you understand, you understand. And, all right, let me walk here without breaking my neck. And there's my kittens. I did this one last year for Anxiety Art Adventure. And now we come to my whips. Now I'm doing this by myself, so I apologize for all the rockiness. All right, here's squirrels. This is Winter Woodland Friends by Dreamer Design. This is my Slithering in Pink by Ever After Diamond Art. I am going to be getting rid of this one. I'm taking Diamonds by Tita's advice and my own advice. This does not bring me joy. The drills are too frustrating. I'm just going to put the drills in Christmas ornaments and free up that container for my next project. So say goodbye to Slithering in Pink. If anyone wants it, let me know. But it's frustrating, I promise you. Okay. Next, we have a complete PR package. This is Happy Sushi Girl by Painted Mauve. This has no color grid on the sides. This is their Premium Plus, I believe, or Premium Elite. This is the top notch. Totally worth it, guys. Totally worth it. And where is my jellyfish? There he is. There's the jellyfish that I'm working on for a trip to the beach. And I have one more. This one is On the Farm with True Vampire Crafts. It's coming along because I'm not stressing these flowers. These flowers are frustrating because the color 5 and the color 6, the symbols 5 and 6 are very hard to distinguish. Let's see if you can see it. Okay, in this mess here are 5 and 6 and F's, but they're hard to tell. Not having a good time with it. So next, I'm going to show you the storage for these kits. Here is my storage for the jellyfish. It's in the Carissa's Crafting Corner. I love it. It's a Lazy Susan. I just really enjoy that Lazy Susan a lot. All right, this is for you, Diamonds and Thoughts. Diamonds and Thoughts, Marissa. You wanted to know how we store them. Mine sit on top of my cart. I've got my Winter Woodland Friends, Sushi Girl, the Barn, Freedom, and then that snake, and my weather kit. That's what I have kitted up. So that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 projects kitted up. I want to see how many more I can get kitted up. I'm going to free this one up. And I still have another one of these that's empty. And I have another one of these that's completely empty. So I want to see how many kits I can kit up. My jellyfish is almost done. And yeah, so let's see what we can get kitted up for the 26 for 26. Now, if we count the ones I did last month, I have no doubt that I'll be able to do 26 for 26 complete, not just kitted up. So stay tuned for that. All right, everybody, you saw my mess. I did leave out Freedom, the whip, and the temperature chart because they're so big and heavy, they won't stay on that rack, but they're rolled up in their boxes. So remember, I'm pampered with diamonds. Go pamper yourself with a number of whips so you won't get bored. Have a wonderful day and be kind.